morning, guys. Today's July 5th, Thursday, July 5th, 2018. Got quite a bit we want to do on the homestead. Of course, we want to continue with the slab, try and get that knocked out. Anyway, got an issue with my driveway. Every time it rains for a long period of time, hard rain for a day or two, we lose a lot of rocks to the other side of the road. And it created a couple of big holes for me. And not good driving conditions when you're trying to get in and out of the driveway. With that said, I took the Boxblade and I kind of scraped up some rocks and tried to fill some of the holes, and we're going to see if we can do a temporary remedy of that problem. We lost so many rocks, I'm going to have to get a load of rocks at some point. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I did with the Boxblade, and I'm going to also, well, we got to smoothen it out. So we can either use the Boxblade or the rake to do that. Also, we got some other things on the homestead we want to do, so without any further ado, tag along, guys, with us today, and hopefully we'll have a pretty productive day. Don't go nowhere, guys. Alright, guys, you can see right here, I took my Boxblade, came from that direction, filled up this hole pretty much. Still got a pretty bad hole over there. I don't know if I'll be able to go a little down slope, but most of our rocks end up on the other side of the street. So don't go nowhere. We're going to put the rake on my tractor and see if we can smoothen this out a little bit. Don't go nowhere.
Me and the boys were sitting around drinking, we was talking about things that we was thinking, when all of a sudden what comes out of his mouth? Said I'm getting old and fat and slow, and I don't recover like I did before from nights of rabble, rousing and too much fun. Well, I looked around and we all agreed, and I had a drink and I ordered 3, and I staggered back to do it all again. And we made an oath on a rum and coke with the best intention. I'm sure you know that we would stop this living in excess. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more hell that should be racing. One more party now, one more party tonight. When I got home about 3:15 that afternoon, she was waiting for me, all dressed to kill and headed out the door. She said, see you later, baby, I'm going out alone. You can watch your kids, you can answer the phone, but don't wait up, cause I'm staying out all night. Well, I got real nervous and I started to shake, and I got the point she was trying to make. I begged her not to go, but she just laughed. She said, don't forget the dishes and don't forget the floor, and don't forget to lock the door. There's somewhere I gotta be and I'm running late. I'm gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more help should be racing. One more party now, one more party tonight. Well, I quit my drinking and staying out late, and I feel pretty good, but I don't feel great, and I know that this is as good as it will get. But the sun shines bright, I'm a happy home, and me and the wife, we don't fight no more, and all this love's not hard for me to take. When I've been working hard all day and I get home, she wants to play, but there's kids and dogs to feed and grass to mow. So we clean up the kitchen and we sit on the couch and we practice a little mouth to mouth, and then the next thing you know it's off to bed we go. We're gonna have one more party, one more special occasion. Do it Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, holidays and weekends. We can have one more party. There's more love we should be making. One more party now, one more party tonight. One more party now, one more party tonight.
Alright, guys, no more big hole, except for by the road. There's a little dip, but you know what? I think with a little bit more tractor work Boxblade work. I think I can get it done without purchasing any more rods. We're gonna see. But there you have that, guys. Let's move on. Alright guys, Carl, I guess you can tell we got rained out again today. A lot of rain in between raindrops. We worked. Most of the work's done around the slab. All we got left pretty much is remove some old tile, as you can see on the floor behind me, and pressure wash. Once that's done pretty much, all I got to do is go order a build and wait for it to get here. There you have it. Guys, if you like Carl and Dawn's Homesteads, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot. Also, like and comment. That helps us out. And we'll see you next time. And probably tomorrow we're going to end up taking the tile off. We'll see what happens with the weather, guys. See you later. 800-foot driveways. And one of them, the one on the west side of the property, every time it rains real hard, or it rains for a long period of time, washes some of the rocks out to the street. So I've lost quite a few, quite a bit of, I don't know.